Only 1% can solve this. Easy mode. How many players are on a football, soccer team on the field? "11 players. Which sport uses a bat and ball? Cricket. What color card means a player is sent off in football? Red card. Which sport is played at Wimbledon? Tennis. How many rings are on the Olympic flag? Five rings. Which sport uses a hoop? Basketball. In which sport do you score a goal? Football. Which country invented cricket? England. What sport uses a shuttlecock? Badminton. How many points is a touchdown worth? Six points. Medium mode. Which country won the FIFA World Cup 2018 in tennis? France. What is a score of 0 called? Love. Which sport uses the term home run? Baseball. How long is a football match? Regular time. "90 minutes. Which sport has the NBA league? Basketball. What color jersey does the Tour de France leader wear? Yellow jersey. Which sport uses a puck? Ice hockey. How many players are on a volleyball team? Six players. Which country hosts the Olympics first in 2024? France. In cricket, how many balls are in an over? Six balls. Hard mode. Which boxer was nicknamed the greatest? Muhammad Ali. Which sport has the Davis Cup? Tennis. How many Grand Slam tournaments are there in tennis? Four. Which country invented basketball? United States. In which sport is the Ryder Cup played? Golf. Which football club has won the most UCL titles? Real Madrid. Which sport uses the term strike? Baseball. What is the maximum break in snooker? .147. Which country won the first Cricket World Cup? West Indies. Which Olympic sport includes épée? Fencing. Insane mode. Who has won the most Ballon d'Or awards? Lionel Messi. Which country has won the most Rugby World Cups? New Zealand. What sport is the Stanley Cup associated with? Ice hockey. Which athlete is known as Lightning Bolt? Usain Bolt. In which sport is the term alley-oop used? Basketball. Which country won the first Olympic gold medal in football? United Kingdom. What is the highest possible score in bowling? .300. Which sport uses chalk on hands? Gymnastics. Which country hosts the Monaco Grand Prix? Monaco. Which sport has positions called prop and hooker? Rugby. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.